Hello friends, Namaste and welcome to the platform once again. This is Vipin Sharma, one of the quant educator at Algebraic platform. How are you? How are you doing? I am damn sure till now, till date, you have covered each and everything which is significant and important from the exam point of view. So what is left? I think probably only and only practice which is going to be left from your side. The more you practice, the more better you become, right? So in this process today we are going to have a discussion for another set of tier 2 exam. So let's start without wasting the time. Here we go. The first question is on your screen. Please tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please. So this question belongs to proportion, right? So you might have studied about the proportion very well. And do you remember what is the relation between the terms of the proportion? See, whenever you see here is the 4 dot or equal. So this is for proportion. So here we can say that the product of the extreme is equal to product of the mean term, right? So we can say that clear 4 upon 9 into 16 upon 81 is equal to what? X into 2 by 3 simply. So by 3 this is cancelled 3 times, by 2 this is cancelled 2 times. So simply we can say that X is equal to 32 divided by 3 1 ja 3, 3 8 ja 24, right? So we can say that X is equal to 32 divided by 243. Yes, D daredevil is the right answer. D part is the right answer. Yes, D part is the right answer. So moving forward, tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please, everyone. Yes, Ankit, you are absolutely correct. You are absolutely right. D is the right answer. Next question is on your screen. Please tell me what is the answer for this question. Please write the answer in the comment box. See, the cost of 25 items is the same as the revenue earned by selling X items. Find X if the profit made in the transaction is 25%. See, we have profit percentage, right? So we can say that if the profit percentage is 20%, right? If the profit percentage is 25%, see, the 25% in fraction is equal to what? 1 upon 4. So 4 is the CP and 1 is the profit. So we can say that CP upon SP is equal to what? 4 by 5. Yes. Do you agree? Yes or no? Do you agree with me? So you would say that yes sir, we agree with you 100%. Okay. See, here the question is saying 25 item, the cost price of 25 item is the same as the revenue earned by selling of X item. So we can say that cost price of 25 item is equal to selling price of X item. So the ratio for CP upon SP is equal to X by 25 simply, right? So just put the value or put the value for CP is to SP, right? So this is equal to 4 by 5, right? So you are not supposed to write all this, right? So this is just for making you understand. So directly you can say that 25%. So directly you can write 4 by 5 is equal to X by 25, right? So by 5, this is cancelled 5 times. So X is equal to 20. X is equal to 20. That's all. Okay. That's all. So we can say that C part is the right answer. That's all. 20 is the right answer. Yes, 20 is the right answer. Yes, you are right, Ankit. Absolutely correct. Madhumita, you are also right. C part is the right answer. Yes, C Chennai Express is the right answer. Now tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please. Tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please. Find the mean proportion between. So do you remember the formula for mean proportion? whenever you have two values, right? Whenever you have two values, so mean proportion is given by square root of product of both term. Square root of product of both term. Square root of product of both term. So here simply we have to do the product of 8 plus 3 root 3. 8 plus 3 root 3, right? 8 plus 3 root 3. So could you tell me, if I take 2 common from this, right? If I take 2 common from this, so this will become what? If I take 2 common from here, so this will become 2 bracket 8 minus 3 root 3. 8 minus 3 root. Just see. So this is A, this is B, right? So A plus B, A minus B. So here we can apply the basic formula of algebra. A plus B, A minus B. So this is going to be the A square plus B square. So simply we can say that 8 square is 64 minus 3 root 3 square. So 3 square 9, 9 into 3 27, right? So we can say that root, here we can say that root 2 into 64 minus 27. So 64 minus 27. So it is going to be 37, right? So 37 into 2. So root 74 is the right answer. Root 74 is the right answer. Root 74 is the right answer. So C part is the right answer. That's all. C part is the right answer. Yes, everyone is correct. Ankit Gupta, very good, very good. Madhumita, very good. Yes, you are very much correct. You are absolutely correct. Okay. So moving forward, tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please. Tell me what is the answer for this question. Everyone, please. Sorry, Ankita. Sorry. Extremely sorry for my negligence. Ankita, yes. Okay. Okay, Ankita. Very good. Atikullah, C. I think you are correct. Ankita 63, very good, very good. See, the question is saying in a quadrilateral ABC. So here is a short trick. Here is a short trick. So could you tell me what is the short trick and how you can solve it without any pen and paper? Can you solve it? So let me tell you the short trick. See, whenever you have a quadrilateral, see, here is a quadrilateral. Here is a quadrilateral and the name of the quadrilateral is ABCD, right? See, A, B, C, D. And whenever we draw the angle bisector of adjacent figure, right? Adjacent angle, right? Whenever we draw the angle bisector of adjacent angle, so this is the angle bisector. So this angle is equal to this, okay? And this is also angle bisector, right? This angle is equal to this. So whenever we draw angle bisector for adjacent angle in quadrilateral and the angle made by both angle bisector, whatever it is, okay, whatever it is, so this is equal to half of, this is equal to half of opposite vertex angle sum, right? This is equal to half of opposite vertex angle sum. Yes, is this clear? So simply we can say that if angle A is equal to 49, angle A is equal to 49 and this is equal to what? This is equal to what? 56 degree, right? Yes. So simply we can say that half of angle A plus angle B is equal to angle E, right? So here we can say that half of 49 plus angle B is equal to 56, right? So we can say that 49 plus angle B is equal to, just multiply by 2. So it will become 112, right? So angle B is equal to 112 minus 49, right? So angle B is equal to 63 degree, simple, right? So what is the short trick? So whenever you get angle bisector at two adjacent vertex of a quadrilateral, right? And the angle made by both angle bisector is always equal to half of sum of opposite vertex angle. So here the angle at the intersection of the angle bisector is 56, just make double of it. So what is the short trick? Short trick is just make double of it, that is 112, right? Then subtract one vertex angle, so you will get angle for another vertex, right? So subtract the angle at one vertex, right? So here we will get 63. So 63 is the right answer. Without figure, without any pain, you can answer the question, right? Yes. Very good Ankita. Very good Atikullah. So let's move forward. Now tell me what is the answer of this question. Yes, please. Atikula, tell me, do you enjoying our teaching or not? See, what price should Neeraj mark on a shirt that costs rupees 840 so as to earn a profit of 18% after allowing a discount of 16% on the mark price? Yes, please. Maybe the focus is only C. I think this time the focus is only C, okay? Because we are getting answer for every question, right? So only option C. So see, so here we can apply a short trick, or here we can apply a formula. So I think you better know, and you remember the formula, that whenever we have discount percent and profit percent, right? So the ratio for CP and MRP can be calculated directly. 100 minus discount percent. So this is representing CP, and 100 plus profit percent. So many times, or many a time, I told you how this formula generated, right? So this is the high time, so we are not going to tell you how this formula is going to generate, right? So you all are aware about it, right? I hope you all are very much aware about this formula. So directly need not to write this formula. This is just to make you understand. Directly you can say that the ratio for CP and MRP is going to be 100 minus, what is the discount percent? 16%. So 100 minus 16%, so it is 84%, and 100 plus 18, so it is going to be 118, right? So by 2 they are cancelled. It is for 42 time, and this it is 59 time, right? So we can say that simply, if my cost price is rupees 42, so my MRP is going to be 59. But here the question is saying the cost price of the shirt is 840. If the cost price of the shirt is 840, so we can say that 42 is equal to 840, right? So 42 is equal to 840, so it is 20 time, right? It is how many time? It is 20 time. How many time? It is 20 time. So simply we can say that it is also 20 times. So MRP is also 20 times. So 59 is equal to 59 into 20. So 0, 8 carry 1. So 1180 is the right answer. C Chennai Express is the right answer. Yes, C Chennai Express is the right answer. Ankita, you are absolutely correct. Very good, bache, very good. So now moving forward, tell me what is the answer for this question. Very easy question. So this is one of the very easy question of this set also, right? So many times you also get some easy questions, right? So your mind must be prepared for that. You can also get easy questions, right? So you must not be in dilemma, you must not be in confusion, right? So many times our expectation is very high because we are going to take the tier 2 exam. The questions level must be very high, right? It is not so, my dear friends. We can also get some easy question like this, right? So we can say that in what ratio, the question is saying in what ratio should tea costing rupees 300 per kg be mixed with tea costing rupees 200 per kg so that the cost of the mixture is just 225. So what you need to do? So 300, 200, mixture price is 225, right? So just take diagonal difference. So here you will get 25, here you will get 75. So the ratio is going to be 1:3. 1:3. Just focus. Yes, 1:3. So B part is the right answer. B Bombay is the right answer. Now the pattern is changed. Ankita, now the pattern is changed. Laddu question. Yes. Yes, it is a halwa question. 1:3. Moving forward, now tell me what is the answer for this question. So I think this is little bit moderate question. I cannot say that it is tough question, but it is a little bit moderate question. Okay. Now tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please. See, you are the warrior and feel like that so that you can conquer any kind of obstacle, right? So there are lots of obstacles in the path of success, in the path of preparation, right? So this is the time where you have to keep yourself positive and always remind yourself, everyone makes mistake. You are not the only one, right? So if there is some mistake, so just forgive yourself, right? Just forgive yourself and say that you can improve. And always remember, my dear friends, nothing is impossible. The word itself says, I am possible. So you have to develop this kind of attitude within. When you feel self-reliant, right? When you feel self-reliant, it means you have to motivate yourself, right? My words can motivate you, but this will last for 2 hours, 3 hours and 5 hours, okay? Or maybe longer for 1 day. But after that, you have to motivate yourself, right? So you have to be self-reliant on that aspect. Only then you can conquer the battle, right? So, okay. Sorry for hiding the question. See, the question is saying a beaker contains acid and water in the ratio 1:x. There is a beaker which contains acid and water in the ratio. See, there is a beaker which contains acid and water. The ratio of acid and water is 1:x, right? The ratio of acid and water is 1:x. When 300 ml of the mixture and 50 ml of water, see, 300 ml of the mixture. See, mixture in the weaken, okay? So mixture and water, right? Plus water. So it is going to be 300 plus 50. So total is 350, right? Total is 350. So we can say that in final mixture, the ratio of acid and water, see, in final mixture, the ratio of acid and water is what? 2:5. So we can say that the total is going to be 7. So this 7 is equal to 350, right? So just simply learn this 7 is equal to 350. So it is 50 times. It is 50 times. So we can say that acid initially was 100, right? And water after including 50, it is becoming 250. Okay. So just subtract 50. So you will get what? 200. So initially acid were 200, acid were 100 and water were 200. So the ratio, initially the ratio were 1:2. See, 1 is equal to 1. So x is equal to 2. Simple. So if you have done the same way, so just write same. If you have done the same way, so just write same in the comment box. Very good, Ankita, very good. Okay, very good. So moving forward, now tell me what is the answer of this question. Again, this is a moderate question. We cannot say that it is a easy question. Now tell me what is the answer of this question. Very good question. See who is going to answer this question. See, the more practice you do, the more clarity you become, because there is a saying, the best view comes after the hardest climb, right? Or we can say after the hardest climb, we get the best view. So the more better you practice, the more clarity you gain, and you also develop your own tools and techniques, right? You also develop your own shortcuts, right? Many times you do the calculation in the mind, right? So your mind start responding or generating some approaches. So Ankita says 432 is the right answer. Let's see what else. I think it is not the right answer. Ankita, please recheck. Check your confidence level. Anyone else? What about other public? What about other students? Are you comfortable with this question? If you are not able to do this question, just give surprise emoji. If you are thinking that this question is giving you surprise and you are not able to do it, then I'll tell you the proper way of doing it, okay? Or you can provide the fire emoji also, because you are burning through this question. You are seeing this question, you are not able to do it, it means you are burning. You are not feeling at ease. Is it so? Tell me, is it so? Is it a tough question? Is it a tough question or not? Madhumita, okay. So let me tell you. Should I tell you, or you are trying? Are you accepting the challenge? Okay, now let me tell you. See, here what we can do, first multiply by 4, first multiply by 4 in the complete, right? When we multiply in the complete equation by 4, so I will get 4x plus 1 upon 4x is equal to 12. Is this clear? So the first step is multiply by 4 in the complete equation. Whatever information given in the question, right, in the form of equation, just multiply by 4. Okay, then see, here is x cube, so you have to forward cube, right? So cube forward, right? Cube forward, just make cube forward, just make cube forward. See, function inverse function, function inverse function, and we know that whenever there is a function inverse function, x plus 1 upon x is equal to k. So we know x cube plus 1 upon x cube is equal to k cube minus 3k, k cube minus 3k. So simply we can say that here we will get what? Here we will get 64 x cube plus 1 upon 64 x cube is equal to 12 cube 1728 minus 3 into 12, 3 into 12, that is 36, right? 36. So I will get what? So 1728 minus 36. So you will get what? So here you will get what? So you will get 1692. Yes. See. So here you will get 1692, right? So this is equal to 1692. Is this clear? Now see the question. We have to calculate 16x cube. So initially I multiplied by 4. Now you have to divide by 4 or multiplied by 1 upon 4 in complete equation. So you will get what? 16x cube plus 1 upon 256 x cube is equal to 4 4 ja 16, 4 2 ja 8, 4 3 ja. So 423 is the right answer. Very good question, right? 423 is the right answer. 423 is the right answer. Very good question. Very good question. Ankita, is it clear now? Tell me, bachche, is it clear now? Very good question. Yes, please tell me. Is it clear now? Tell me. Very good question. Now moving forward, tell me what is the answer of this question. Yes, please. Everyone, please tell me what is the answer for this question. See, very easy question. One angle of an isosceles triangle, isosceles obtuse triangle. See, in isosceles triangle, two sides are equal, right? Two sides are equal, and this is an obtuse angle triangle. This is an obtuse angle triangle like this, okay? If I say that so if this side is A, this side is A, okay, so this angle is what? 28.5. Just make you understand, need not to draw the figure, right? So we can say that the obtuse angle is going to be 180 minus twice of 28.5, right? So twice of 28.5, so we can say that 180 minus 57, right? So I will get what? So I will get 123, right? So 123 is the right answer. D daredevil is the right answer. D daredevil is the right answer. D daredevil is the right answer. Yes, Ankita. Yes, Ankita. Very good, bachche. Very good. So 123 is the right answer, right? So moving forward, tell me what is the answer of this question. Yes, please. In the given figure, A, B, C, D, E, F is a rectangular hexagon whose side is 12 centimeter. What is the shaded area? Yes, please. What is the shaded area? Come on, brother. Come on. Come on, everyone. See, when we draw the diagonal, of all the diagonals of a hexagon, right? So complete hexagon is divided in 6 equilateral triangle, right? In 6 equilateral triangle. So we can say that, see, if this is 12, so this is also 12, right? See, one, two, three, 4, 5, 6, right? Got the point? Yes. So here is what? So this is 12, this is 12, right? So we can say that we can calculate. So this is equilateral, right? So for this equilateral, the area of equilateral is what? Root 3 by 4 into side square. Root 3 by 4 into side square. So we can say that root 3 by 4 into side square. Side square is what? Side square is what? 12 square. So 12 into 12. Is this clear? See, if I say that the complete figure is divided in 6 parts, right? So this is the one part, right? This is the one part. The complete figure is divided in 6 parts. So this is the one part, and this is the half of complete. So 1 plus half, so it is going to be 3 by 2, right? So complete, so just multiply by 3 by 2. So simply we can say that by 4 this is 3 times, by 2 this is 6 times. So 9 into 6, 54. So 54 root 3, 54 root 3 centimeter square is the right answer. Simple. So in single line we can do this, right? If the concept is clear, so we can say that the answer is 54 root 3. Answer is 54 root 3. Yes, 54 root 3 is the right answer. So my dear friend, A part is the right answer. Madhumita, beta, A part is the right answer. Ankita is the right. Ankita is right. Yes. So let's move forward. Tell me what is the answer of this question. Yes, please. Again, very good question, right? So many times, especially in tier 2 exam, you will get the question in the form of disguise, right? So what is the meaning of disguise here? So you will get the question, and just reading the question you will feel that this question belongs to this particular chapter, this question belongs to this particular segment, but the approach which we are going to apply to solve this question is going to belong to different chapter, right? So in that case we call that question, the question is in disguise form, right? So the question is in disguise form. So you have to identify whether the question is in disguise form or not. Okay, so just tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please. See, here the question is saying two tangents inclined at an angle of 120 degree are drawn to a circle. This is a circle. If I draw two tangent, right, inclined at, so we can say that, so these are the two tangent, right, and I name it A, and contact point is B, and center is O. Okay, so we can say that radius is 6, so just I add this. Okay, so the radius 6, now it is right. Okay, so we can say that the length of PV is equal to 6 by root 3. Okay, 6 by root 3. Yes, now it is right. So just multiply by root 3 in numerator and denominator both. So you will get root 3, 3. So 6 divided by 3. So 2 root 3 is the right answer. 2 root 3 is the right answer. So B part is the right answer. 2 root 3 is the right answer. Yes, 2 root 3 is the right answer. 3 root 3 is not the right answer. B part is the right answer. Madhumita, yes, your answer is right. Is it still buffering or okay? Tell me, Ankita, is it still buffering or is it okay? I think is it okay now? Okay, that's great. So moving forward, tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please. Tell me what is the answer for this question. In a rhombus, STUV, in a rhombus, so in rhombus, all sides are equal, right? All sides are equal, but all angles are not equal, and their diagonals intersect each other perpendicular, right? So they are perpendicular bisector to each other. Yes, so just name it as TUV. Okay, and this is 90 degree. See, SUV, see, SUV. So this angle is 44 degree, no problem. And see, STUV and SUV, right? SUV. So this angle is 44 degree. Okay, STU, see, STU. So this angle is what? 90 degree. So tell me, if this side is A, so this is also A. If two sides of a triangle is equal, so their opposite angle are also equal. So we can say that this angle is equal to this angle. Is this clear? So 180 minus 92, I will get 88. 88 by divided by 2, so 44 degree, right? And so this angle is also 44 degree because AA. So we can say that this angle is going to be 92 degree. Simple. So just see, the question is asking 4 times of SUV. So SVU, 4 times of SVU. SVU is 92. So 4 into 92 minus 3 into TSU. TSU is what? 44. So simply we can say that 4 2s are 8, 4 9s are 36, minus 12 carry 1, so 132. So 8 minus 2, I will get 6, 6 minus 3, 3, and 3 minus 1. So that's all. Okay, so 236 is the right answer. Yes, 236 is the right answer. So how many students are getting the right answer? Just put in the comment box. Only Ankita is getting the right answer. That's great. That's great. That's great. So now moving forward, Tell me what is the answer for this question. An arc on a circle that is 15 centimeter long subtend 24-degree angle at the center. Then what is the circumference of the circle? See, do you remember what is the formula for the length of arc? See, length of arc is 15, right? So we can say that length of arc is given by theta upon 360 into 2 pi r, right? So I need to calculate circumference. Circumference is 2 pi r. So we can say that 15 is equal to theta is 24 divided by 360 into 2 pi r is circumference. So take C in place of 2 pi r. Yes. So I can say that by 12 it is 2 times, by 12 it is 30 times, by 2 it is 15 times. So circumference is going to be 225 centimeter. Yes, very easy question. If you remember the formula, if your concept is clear, so in just few seconds you can mark the answer. 225 centimeter is the right answer. Yes, 225 centimeter is the right answer. Yes, my dear student, you all are correct. 225 is the right answer. So moving forward, tell me what is the answer for this question. So let me tell you one thing. I hope you all are aware about this, right? So one question you get from here, the condition is, this is a conditional question, and you must remember that if angle A plus angle B is equal to 90 degree, if angle A plus angle B is equal to 90 degree, so we can say that sine square A plus sine square B, right? Pair of sine is equal to 1. Sine square A plus sine square B is equal to 1. Cos square A plus cos square B is equal to 1. And sec square A minus cot square B is equal to 1. And cosec square A minus tan square B is equal to 1. So just remember these formulas, okay? This is the conditional relation, right? If you know the condition, you can do the question with ease. If you don't know the condition, if you forget the condition, or the condition is not remembered to you, right? So you wouldn't be able to do the trigonometric questions, right? So the question from algebra and trigonometry, major part depend on the conditions, right? You remember the condition, the question is easy to you, right? If you do not remember the condition, the question seems tough, so you wouldn't be able to do that question. So my dear friends, so write conditions on a just make the note of conditions so that you can revise all the conditions in last time, right? So you must have note for the conditions, okay? Especially for trigonometry and algebra. In algebra we have 24 conditions from which we get the question frequently, right? See, advanced is a very vast syllabus, right? So, or we can say advanced is a ocean. So there are possibility of many possibilities to making the questions tough, right? But whatever is the experience, we are getting the question on the basis of PYQ only, right? So when we look on the PYQ, so we gain some confidence, because in PYQ hardly we get 2 or 3 questions tough from the quant section, especially in advanced part, right? Okay, so let's do the question. So here we can say that there is a pair of sine square. So we are taking one term from the start and one term from the last. So taking one term from the front, take one term from the front, sine square 5 plus, and one term from the back. So sine square 85, right? So it must be equal to 1. Yes or no? So we can say that one term from the starting and one term from the last. So sine square 10 degree plus sine square 80 degree is going to be 1. So likewise we can say that sine square 15 degree plus sine square 75 degree, it is equal to 1. Yes. So we can say that sine square 40 degree plus sine square 50 degree is equal to 1. So in middle, sine square 45 would be left, right? So we can say that from here to here, right? So 5, 10, 15. So at an interval of 5. So just divide 40 by 5. So we will get 8 pair, right? So here we will get 8 pair plus sine square 45, right? See, the value for single pair is 1. So 1 into 8, 8 plus sine 45 is 1 upon root 2 whole square. So we can say that 8 and half is the right answer. 8 and half is the right answer, or 8.5 is the right answer. Whatever is the option. So just have a look on the option. So we can say that D part is the right answer. D daredevil is the right answer. Yes. How 17? Ankita Gupta, tell me how 17 you are getting. Madhumita, tell me how 17 you are getting. See, the pair of two terms will provide you 1. So 17 are the total number of terms, right? So out of 17 you will get 16 terms. From these 16 terms you will get 8 pair, and the value for one pair is going to be 1. So 8 pair will give you 8. And now the remaining term or the left term is sine square 45, right? Yes. So the answer is D. D daredevil is the right answer. Okay. So moving forward, tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please. Yes, please tell me what is the answer for this question. See, in the given figure, ABCD is a square. In the given figure, ABCD is a square whose side is 4 centimeter. Whose side is 4 centimeter. Okay. If side is 4 centimeter, so this is 4, this is 4, this is also 4, and this is also 4. Okay. So P is a point on the side AD. P is a point on the side AD. What is the minimum value? See, if we have to calculate the minimum value, right? So for minimum value, we have to divide it in equal part, right? So here we can say that it is 2 or it is 2. Yes. Is this clear? So see, we know that the each angle of square is 90 degree. So this is becoming the 90 degree. Okay. So tell me, if we have to calculate the hypotenuse, right? PC is a hypotenuse, PB is a hypotenuse. If both sides are equal, so hypotenuse is also going to be the same. So we can say that hypotenuse is equal to 4 square 16 plus 2 square 4, right? So square root of 20. What is the square root of 20? So 4 into 5. So 2 root 5, right? 2 root 5. So single is 2 root 5. So this is also 2 root 5. Yes. So this will also be 2 root 5. Yes. So we can say that 2 root 5, 2 root 5, okay. So we can easily say that, so PB, see, BP is 2 root 5 and CP is also 2 root 5. So simply 4 root 5 is the right answer. 4 root 5 is the right answer. Yes, okay, it is okay now. See, x is subtracted from each of this. So we can write it 24 minus x divided by 40 minus x is equal to 33 minus x divided by 57 minus x. Okay, so take the difference of numerator. Take the difference of numerator. So 33 minus 24, 9. Take the difference of denominator, it is 17. So here the difference is 8. Here the difference is what? 16. So we can say that 8 must be equal to 16. So 2 times. So numerator is also going to be 2 times. So numerator must be 18. So numerator for the first fraction must be 18. So this must be 18. So 24 minus x is equal to 18. So x is equal to what? X is equal to what? 24 minus 18. So x is equal to 6, right? Now the question is asking, what is the ratio for 5x? So x is equal to 6, x is equal to 6. So we can say that 30 plus 12 is to 24 plus 15, right? So 42 is to 39. So by 3 it is 14 times, and by 3 it is 13 times. So 14 is to 13 is the right answer. 14 is to 13 is the right answer. So B part is the right answer. B Bombay is the right answer. Yes, B Bombay is the right answer. B Bombay is the right answer. B Bombay is the right answer. So we have covered the session successfully. If you haven't downloaded the app, so please download the app, because through the app you can attend the free classes running at the app only, right? So we have free classes on the YouTube running from morning to evening. All are free of cost. Likewise or ditto like is okay. So we also have some free classes at the app also, right? They are also running on daily basis. So if you have downloaded the app, so you will be able to access for those free classes, okay? So if you want to prepare with us in a systematic manner, right? So let me tell you the process. Just go to the Olive Board website, right? Just go to the Olive Board website, okay? So you will get the interface like this. Just click on the course section, right? So when you will click on the course section, so you will get the courses, right? See, so just scroll down to the 4th row. So you will get the English medium courses for SSC plus railway both, right? So these are the running batches. SSC CGL foundation, if you are targeting for the next session 2025, right? So foundation batches are very good, right? They are going to be start from the very scratch. You will cover the complete syllabus because we have enough time, right? So we have enough time of 5 to 6 months. So in 5 to 6 months, you can easily cover the complete syllabus with concept, with short tricks, with exam approach, each and everything you will get here, right? Whether it is PYQs, whether it is mock test, whether it is PDF, right? Whether it is concept classes, each and everything you will get through this batch, right? So I personally suggest that if you want to prepare for your exam in truly form, right, in truly manner, you want to get success, right? If you are caring, if you are really caring for your career, right? So my dear friends, these are the best batch. If you are preparing for the railway or you are preparing for SSC, right? So these are the batches. So you can join these batches. So both are foundation batches, okay? SSC CHSL batch we also have, and we also have selection batch for tier 2, right? So in this batch you will get the orientation of all chapters in a quick manner. So quickly you can revise the complete syllabus, okay? So these are the batches. You can check it out as per your choice. If you want to check the more detail, just click on the syllabus. So click on the icon. So there is a 2x in plus 35% off on Christmas, right? So you will get the icon like this, SSC CGL Success Complete Foundation Course 2025, right? So these are the highlights: 450 live sessions, 20 plus recorded sessions, practice session, PDF, you have test, right? You have monthly current affairs, each and everything you will get here, right? So if you have any kind of query, you can WhatsApp your query to us on this number, and you can also join us on our official Telegram, okay, at the rate Olive Boards SSC, right? So this is all from my side. Thank you very much. So thank you guys, thank you very much. Thank you for your love and support shown to the classes, shown to the content, and shown to the platform. Thank you very much. Jai Hind. See you in the next session, and don't forget to catch me at the 5 PM sharp on daily basis live. Thank you guys.